spring-loaded action returns the flush mechanism to its neutral position automatically, making each flush smoother and more reliable. Spring-loaded trip levers use an internal spring to pull the lever or actuator back to a level resting position immediately after a flush, whereas standard trip levers rely on gravity and user position to settle back. The spring stores potential energy when the lever is pressed and then releases it to return the mechanism to neutral, which reduces the chance of the lever hanging or binding against the tank. For installation, align the spring orientation so the return force pulls toward the tank center, and keep the linkage slightly loose to avoid binding while preventing slack that can delay the return. With maintenance, check the spring for corrosion or loss of tension and replace it if the lever does not return within a second or two, and lubricate pivot points with a silicone-safe lubricant rather than petroleum-based oils that can degrade seals. For retrofit, measure shaft diameter and mounting hole spacing because many spring kits are designed for specific shaft sizes and may require an adapter or new lever. When troubleshooting intermittent flushing, inspect the spring anchor and linkage for play and confirm the stopper or flapper is seating correctly, since spring action can reveal seal issues that gravity-only systems sometimes mask. Common problems include a lever that returns too quickly and cuts the flush short, which is usually fixed by easing the spring tension or switching to a spring with lower rated force so the valve stays open long enough to clear the trapway. Another issue is binding where the spring or linkage rubs against the tank wall and prevents a full return, solved by reorienting the lever assembly, adding a small spacer to keep the mechanism centered, and ensuring the chain or strap has minimal slack but is not taut. A third concern is spring fatigue that reduces return force over time, creating a sticky or sluggish lever, and the straightforward remedy is replacing the spring element with a matched part and checking surrounding components for wear that can accelerate failure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors through searchable listings and project posts, so we help people find trusted options for repairs and upgrades related to toilet hardware and other systems. We also give contractors a place to find work, showcase past projects, and join a discussion community where we all share tips, ask questions, and solve common installation and maintenance problems together.